I want a quick capture of our Dive Club logo for an upcoming presentation. The Mac has a built-in screenshot facility. You activate it with a keystroke combination, Shift-Command-5. That calls up a small panel on your display with screen capture options. There are 3 screenshot buttons that let you capture the entire screen, a window, a selected window, or a selection of the screen. You also have 2 video recording buttons that let you record the entire screen or a selection. The X button closes the panel, or you can hit the escape key to get out. The Options button lets you choose where to save your screenshot. You can save to the desktop. That's the default. You can also save to your documents, the clipboard, send a mail, go to Messages, use Preview, or another location. And you can set a 5 or 10 second delay so you can get your shot set up. The Show Floating Thumbnail option puts a little preview thumbnail of your just captured screenshot in the lower right corner of your screen. For this, I just want the logo. I select a portion of the screen and select by dragging the cursor over and clicking on Capture. Editing needs to be done with another app. The Mac Photos app has all the basic editing options that most people will need. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. And you can get more benefits by joining our premium membership at geeksontour.com. Thanks for watching.